We now live in a world driven by mind-boggling innovation, and where a new era of wealth creation is fast emerging thanks to artificial intelligence. From predictive analytics that foresee market trends to AI-driven trading algorithms that outperform human capabilities, AI has quickly become the secret weapon for wealth creation and the attainment of financial freedom. So, join us as we uncover 5 AI tools that are reshaping industries faster than the speed of light and that are guaranteed to make you rich within the shortest possible time. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Also, let us know which AI tool you'll be exploring to get rich in the comments. Ready? Let's dive right in. Number 1. 10web.io and durable.com. Gone are the days when creating a website demanded an intricate dance of coding wizardry, design finesse, and marathon hours of manual code writing. This elaborate process, stretching across weeks and sometimes months, carried a hefty price tag, with basic websites easily clocking in at a staggering $20,000. Then emerged the likes of WordPress, Wix, and Shopify, democratizing website creation and reducing costs. However, one formidable challenge remained: time. Even with these platforms, erecting a decent website remained a time-guzzling ordeal. If coding wasn't your headache, perfecting the design, crafting compelling text, and grappling with platform intricacies still demanded substantial effort. This often led to seeking aid from agencies, resulting in websites that were but modest upgrades from stock templates. But with advanced AI tools like 10web.io and durable.co, you can now execute complex programming commands with just a click of a button and take the reins of website creation with exceptional speed and efficiency. These tools go beyond just assembling the site. They design it, conjure copies, and cherry-pick and embed images. In mere minutes, your website transforms from a mere idea into a fully functional, visually captivating online presence. All that's needed is furnishing the AI with basic information and responding to its prompts. The package doesn't stop here. Features like integrated SEO and AI recreation are likewise available to elevate the offering. These special features allow these AI tools to seamlessly replicate websites similar to those you admire. But the true beauty lies in the control you retain. You can endlessly tweak, refine, and iterate until your creation is perfection personified. These AI marvels can serve your business needs or lay the bedrock for a nascent enterprise. By harnessing their prowess, you can swiftly fashion impressive websites and command a premium for your services. And in today's universe, where fleeting attention reigns supreme and bite-sized content holds sway, these AI tools are fast becoming an invaluable asset, democratizing quality content creation for all. Number 2. Tidio. With Tidio, you can propel your website sales to new heights. It's a true powerhouse that supports your team or step into their shoes and deliver proficiently on their tasks. With Tidio, you can either slash costs by trimming down staff or boost profits by delivering an unrivaled customer experience. These paths, seemingly divergent, ultimately converge to a single destination: a more substantial net income. At the heart of this innovation lies Tidio AI, a chatbot infused with the brilliance of artificial intelligence. Its prowess encompasses 2 key roles. Firstly, it adeptly takes on the responsibility of replacing the arduous process of addressing frequently asked questions with rapid-fire responses, nimbly resolving customer queries within mere seconds. Imagine the conversion rates on your website skyrocket as the customer journey unfolds seamlessly. The days of a cluttered site overwhelmed by unanswered inquiries are gone. Instead, AI takes the reins, offering comprehensive responses sourced from a database, catering to your customers' needs. The sphere of its competence expands further. Tidio AI ventures into intricate territories, tackling queries about order statuses and product restocking. The second aspect of Tidio AI lies in its potential to heighten the efficiency and caliber of your human customer support team. Imagine it as a virtuoso wordsmith, deftly transforming your support's agent's swift but basic replies into eloquent statements that resonate with your company's unique identity. Yet, when a customer raises a question beyond AI's scope, it elegantly transfers them to a human agent, ensuring seamless assistance. Now, here's the twist: the captivating component that sets Tidio AI apart. Astonishingly, it can address a staggering 70% of customer inquiries. This remarkable coverage empowers your support system to accommodate a larger audience in significantly less time. The outcome? A clientele brimming with contentment, which naturally translates to heightened sales figures. Tidio AI orchestrates a metamorphosis in customer engagement, fostering a harmonious union of technology and human finesse. It's an odyssey into streamlined processes where questions receive answers with breathtaking speed and accuracy. Elevate your support operations, nurture enduring customer relationships, and witness your revenue flourish in response. Number 3. Copilot. The standout star in this AI lineup is undoubtedly Microsoft's Copilot. Its magic lies in its seamless integration with Microsoft's suite of products, making it your ultimate companion. Think about this, from dissecting complex Excel spreadsheets to crafting full-fledged PowerPoints, Copilot steps up with remarkable versatility. But it doesn't stop there. It even shines during Microsoft team meetings. Imagine it transcribing meeting notes and handing you a concise summary of crucial points and actionable tasks. And the astonishment continues as Copilot executes those tasks for you. Let's conjure a scenario. Say you've got a task to whip up a presentation. Copilot swoops in, tailoring a presentation that's a perfect match for your brand's identity. The result? What could have consumed hours of your time now materializes almost effortlessly. The brilliance extends further. Copilot's skills embrace an array of tasks, positioning it as an indispensable asset. It's a time-saving virtuoso that harmonizes with your workflow, a shining example of how AI elevates the landscape of productivity. Delving deeper into Copilot's capabilities reveals an even more extraordinary realm. Seamlessly synchronizing with your calendar, it preps you for impending meetings, ensuring you stride and fully informed. Its talents don't stop there. Copilot crafts reports and Word documents, extracting insights from your previous endeavors. And yes, it's a proficient email manager, crafting responses that mirror your style. Copilot's significance transcends mere utility. It's a testament to AI's capacity for transformative change. It intertwines efficiency into your workflow, an exemplar of seamless synergy between human and machine. Universality is its charm. Every profession benefits. If Microsoft tools are part of your journey, Copilot stands ready as your indispensable ally. Whether sculpting an impactful pitch or dissecting financial intricacies, Copilot elevates your capabilities, a beacon of AI-powered productivity. Number 4. DocuAsk. Imagine facing a situation where you are confronted with a lengthy document, the kind that can swallow up your precious time. This is where DocuAsk steps in as your time-saving hero. With DocuAsk by your side, bidding farewell to those grueling document reading sessions becomes a reality. Sure, there are tools out there that attempt to provide summaries, and even our trusty ChatGPT can offer you that service. But there's a hitch with these summaries. They're just that, a distilled version that often misses crucial nuances. But DocuAsk is here to change the game. It's not about skimming the surface, it's about diving deep. DocuAsk takes any document and expertly dissects it, making it your interactive guide. Imagine this, you're in a virtual chat and you can ask questions about the document right there. Every little detail that would have been lost in a simple summary is now at your fingertips, ready to be unveiled. The brilliance of DocuAsk lies in its simplicity. Extracting vital information from those intimidating documents has never been easier. Instead of sinking countless hours into sifting through pages upon pages, you can tap into the power of AI. It's like having a knowledgeable assistant who effortlessly dissects and understands documents, poised to provide you with insights whenever you need them. DocuAsk marks the end of document-induced headaches. No more struggling through pages of text, no more missing out on important bits buried in the fine print. Instead, you step into a world where understanding complex documents is as easy as having a conversation. It's a revelation, a transformation that shifts the tides of how you interact with information. In a landscape where time is your most valuable asset, DocuAsk stands as your ally, gifting you the luxury of swift comprehension. Number 5. Adobe Firefly. The remarkable might of AI lies in its leverage. Before AI, tasks consumed hours or demanded costly human resources. But now, AI steps in as an efficient, cost-effective ally, akin to having an adept employee at a fraction of the cost. Yet, enter Adobe Firefly, a revelation that defies this norm. Unlike other AI, Firefly propels you into realms of possibility previously uncharted. This AI transcends utility. It becomes your ticket to achieving the unattainable. Its value resonates not only in simplifying your work, but also in enhancing its manifold, a recipe for increased earnings. Let's unravel its essence. Firefly stands as a generative AI content creation tool, manifesting ideas with astonishing finesse. Consider 3 scenarios where Firefly reshapes your creative landscape. First, it crafts lifelike images from intricate text descriptions. This wields immense utility in scenarios like product photography. The second feat is Firefly's generative fill, capable of adding or erasing objects from images with a seamless touch. The third facet is its ability to transform your sketches into photorealistic wonders. Firefly's brilliance isn't confined to content creation, it's a conduit to uncharted creativity. Elevating your work is its core mission, offering possibilities that once seemed beyond grasp. It's a window into the future of AI-driven innovation, where your potential knows no bounds. In the realm of depicting ideas, the usual path involves rallying a team of graphic designers and artists, a process demanding time and money. But here strides an AI, the heart of Adobe Firefly. This AI revolutionizes the equation. A simple prompt to the AI becomes your ticket to remarkable imagery, ushering in a transformative era. The result? Elevated work without exorbitant costs. Firefly's enchantment deepens with generative fill. Here's the magic. It can draw or erase objects in a photo seamlessly. Want to sport a different outfit in a specific image? Firefly performs this feat effortlessly. Such wizardry, once within the realm of Photoshop experts, is now at your fingertips, and it's executed with an air of naturalness that's truly remarkable. And the magic continues. Your sketches morph into photorealistic marvels, transcending the limits of your imagination. If content creation is your realm, Firefly emerges as an essential toolkit. It's your guide to swift fixes and uncharted creativity. Firefly's journey doesn't end here. It's poised to generate images from 3D elements, proof of its evolution. As AI continues to advance, so will the capabilities of these AI tools. So, expect to see even more mind-boggling AI tools going forward.